Sick 'em, boy.
Hi everyone, Mitch from SportsChatPlace.com, and it is Thursday, November 20th, 2014. Time here with your free dog of the day pick. Of course, over on the app, Mitch's App Attack, a 1-minute video pick, only available on the SportsChatPlace.com app. Free and premium picks available on the app each and every day. Of course, we also have SportsChatPlace.com Premium and Premium Plus, the best value in sports handicapping anywhere, where you get my best bets, our staff's best bets, picks from some of the top handicappers in the world today. Lowest subscription prices on the planet. Hey guys, I can admit it. I've been absolutely ice cold the last few days, maybe even week. Just not my best picks. It seems that every bounce going against me, but no excuses here. I've had good runs in the past. I've had bad runs in the past. Thankfully, I've had a lot more good runs than bad runs, and I know that when these less than fortunate runs happen, I normally bounce back with a fury, and I'm expecting that to happen in a hurry as well, because lots of big college football coming up over the next week, and of course NFL tonight and college hoops all day today. I got plenty of picks in the premium area. I don't stop, take a break or whatever. I just keep doing what I do and what's worked over time, and we know eventually that works out for us. But like I said, not going to sit here and say I'm knocking it out of the park when I'm not. I leave that for the other sites. We just try and keep it real here at SportsChatPlace.com. But in any event, let's get to today's free dog of the day pick. Let's head to Assembly Hall in Indiana with the Indiana Hoosiers taking on the SMU Mustangs. Indiana opened as a 1-point favorite in this thing. Now they're 2.5-point dogs. SMU was on the outside looking in at the NCAA tournament last year, and that's because they couldn't get it done against the better teams. Matter of fact, they were one of those bubble teams, kind of disappointed that they were left out. But seriously, if you want to be, you do control your own destiny as much as it comes down to the selection committee ultimately makes the selections. You got to take care of business when you have your chances, and this is the chance for SMU. The problem is Indiana, Big Ten team, Big Ten talent, and of course Tom Crean usually gets his guys when it comes to recruiting, and State Indiana, plenty of guys to choose from in that area. So I'll tell you what, getting 2.5 points with the Indiana Hoosiers in this one, not going to pass it up against an SMU team that hasn't got it done. We're going to take Indiana plus the 2.5, call them my dog of the day. This is Mitch. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.